Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious bakery style Parsi Mawa cake. This cake is very soft and spongy and really very tasty. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहते देन तळे थिबा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. So first let's make instant mawa. In a pan heat 1 tablespoon of butter. To that add half cup of milk and give it a mix. Add 1 cup of milk powder and stir continuously. The mixture has thickened now. It has started to separate from the pan. Our instant mawa is ready. Allow it to cool down. In a bowl, take half cup of softened butter. To that add 1/4 cup of oil and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Whisk everything and mix. The mixture has turned white and fluffy. Now add 2/3 cup of curd and mix well. Place a sieve and add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda and sift everything together. Now fold and mix till everything is well combined. Gradually add 2/3 cup of milk and mix. The batter of this cake will be a little bit thicker. Crumble the prepared mawa. Add it to the cake batter. Fold the mawa in the cake batter. Now brush butter on an 8-inch cake mold. Place a butter paper. Brush butter again. And then transfer the batter to the mold. This is the perfect consistency for mawa cake batter. Level the batter using a spatula. Now add chopped almonds and cashews on top. Pat a little to stick. Bake at 180°C in a preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes. Our mawa cake is perfectly baked now. Our toothpick has come out clean. Allow it to cool down. After it's cooled down, run a knife on the edges. Remove the cake from the mold. So our super soft and tasty bakery style Parsi Mawa cake is ready now. The taste of this cake is totally unique. So do try this out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.